So one last thing we wanted to talk a little bit about the changes here at School of Bookkeeping is we've made a new offering available for those support types of things, right? So we have our our core for small business. We have our premium for accountants, which has access to our entire course library. We have our elite, which includes our online chat support. Everything that's in premium is in elite. And now we have an elite plus because every streaming service now throws a plus at the end. So it gives you an hour of, we call it one-on-one private tutoring to go along with the school aspect here. But you can use that for whatever time that you want to have. It's you pay just a regular monthly fee, which is actually less than hiring someone. I'm undercutting. We're undercutting ourselves with CBG, but for an hour. But for a monthly subscription, you get Elite Plus, which includes an hour each and every month.
Highlight this, and I have to highlight it. So the elite membership,
okay.
A lot of people come to us and they're like, help, I'm dealing with Intuit support. I need help. I need somebody with the secret back door. Well, we have the secret back door. I don't know what we call it, but if there is a way to get a case, ramped up and get some resolution, we do have that secret way to do it. So if you join the elite membership, you get access to that. So if it can't be handled, it can't be handled. I mean, some things are, you buy a lemon car, there's just not a whole lot we can do. But if there is a way to handle it, we can get you way ahead the front of the line and get it done while you continue to work and calm your client down. So a lot of people are like, you really can do that? And so we say, well, okay, if you don't trust us, do a day pass and see. And then they usually become customers for life. So it's Dan he doesn't like selling stuff, but honestly, if you find yourself very frustrated with Intuit support and you know that it's one of those things that you can throw that out on all those Facebook groups with all the brains of the brains, and we don't know what to do, it literally requires somebody at Intuit, reconfiguring or doing something behind the scenes that we can't do. We have a way to that. That's a perk as me. For under CBG that we use over at School of Bookkeeping.